Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create subtitles in Descript. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now before we start with showing you how you could add a subtitle or a caption to your videos, we're first going to talk about how you could have Descript into your computer. Now Descript is a software that you can install into your computer. You won't be able to use any of its features through your browser, so you're going to have to install the installer directly to your computer so that you will be able to have this script and use this script for your different projects, such as different videos or even different recordings. So the first thing you're going to have to do to be able to download the installer of Descript is go to Descript.com. Now the Descript.com is their homepage. If ever you would like to know more information about Descript, you can simply visit this page over here and then look through the different information available on their homepage. Now continuing, to be able to automatically download the installer, you're first going to have to sign up over here or sign in. And after completing the process of signing up on creating your account, you will be able to automatically download the installer of Descript. Now installing it is very easy. It's like any program that you have installed to your computer before. And after installing it, this is what it would look like. Now it is very similar to Google Drive. It is also named Drive View. And as you can see here, this is where you can see all your different products, all the different projects that you have done before. And you can also check out quick recordings shared with me, like different projects that are shared with me directly, downloaded voices, templates, and private workspaces over here or the Drive workspace over here. Now, to be able to add like a video or like a file to be able to edit, you're simply going to click on New Project over here. When you select on New Project, as you can see, this is what it would look like. You have the option to choose a file to transcript, start recording, start writing, or start from a template. Of course, you're going to click on Choose a file to transcribe. And when you click on this option, you will be able to upload a file that will be automatically transcribed, and you will have the script over here on the left side over here. I already have one in my project, so let's check that out. The how to get subscription on Beat Journey over here. This is one of our videos, and we're going to edit it through this script, as you can see. Over here on the left side, as you can see, this is like the script of the entire video. This is what it would look like, and like you to be able to edit in the script, you can simply select the specific section and it will go there, as you can see here. And like you could delete specific sections of the video, and like you will be able to cut that directly out of the clip, as you can see here. Now, how do you add a subtitle or a caption into your video? So for example, in this section, I would like to add a caption. All you need to do is highlight the text that you would like to have a caption on. If you want to have a caption on the entire video, of course, you're going to have to select the entire script over here. Now, for example, we're going to select only this section. What you need to do next is by clicking on this text over here on the top. By simply clicking this, you will be able to see the option subtitle or captions over here. If you want to add subtitle, you can click this, or if you want to add caption, you can click on caption over here. So we're going to go with caption, and as you can see, it will automatically add a caption for the specific text that you have selected. And then you could choose or edit the layouts over here on the right side. You could choose the caption type, the opacity, the layout. Right now, the different layouts are, as you can see here, you have your text over here, the different paragraph formatting, the alignment, the uppercase, and like the style over here. You can click on the style, and you can change the different style from classic, karaoke to clean. It has different style depending on the option that you have chosen. There's an active word, fill, background, border, and future words over here. And we could go with the most basic one for now, the classic. And you could add some effects, animation, and all of those things. So when you play directly on the start, like you're going to type. So we're going to play this. You're going to type in /subscribe and then click on the subscribe option right here. And as you can see, the subtitle or the caption is automatically changing over here. Now let's see the different option or like another option, but this time for the subtitle, because there's a different option here on the text. Click on subtitle. and you will be able to have a subtitle on your page over here, and like simply type in whatever you would like to have on your video, and simply drag our title. So let's select our title. Let's see if we will be able to edit the location of our title. Just like that, you will be able to drag it wherever you would like. And you can delete it by simply clicking on backspace. Now you could add subtitles wherever you would like to add captions to whatever part of the video that you would like to add. And after editing all of those things, you can simply click on publish over here on the top right, and you will be able to publish your video that you have just added subtitle or caption on. And you can do this to any type of video that you have. Right now, I used a 1-minute video. So let's try and use our other project from earlier, the one that we have used, the untitled project over here. Now over here, we're going to choose a file to transcribe. This is how you can upload a file for Descript to transcribe. Click on choose a file and simply choose the file in your list over here and use them for your Descript. So for example, this one, click on open, and we're going to wait. It's going to upload the specific photo or the specific video, into Descript. So we're going to give it some time. And as you can see, right now over here on the section, we're going to click on done. And over here, you're going to see like a process transcribing status over here. It's going to do its process on how you will be able to see the transcription over here, or like the script over here on the left side, and it will integrate it together with the editor. So you will be able to edit that and like change various stuff through the transcription over here. That is how Descript would work. And after this finished transcribing, we're going to demonstrate once again on how you could add a caption into your video. So we're going to give it some time, and let's wait for our very short video to be transcribed. Now right now this video is actually 9 minutes long, so it might take a while, so we're simply going to give it some time. And there we go, our transcription is fully done. We now have our transcription for our video over here. Now same process, you're going to select the specific section that you would like to have a caption on, highlight it, click on this text over here, click on caption, and after that you will be able to have a caption for the specific text over here. Now right now it's currently white, so you won't be able to see that, so you're going to click on the classic over here under style, click on the fill. Right now it's currently black. You can change this to anything you would like to have. You can have an active word, border, background, all of those information. You can change it to karaoke instead, and let's see the difference between the classic and karaoke. Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, we're going to show you photorealistic, and as you can see, like there's a highlight on a specific word that is being said in the video. Right now, for example, the word that is being said is photorealistic, so it's going to highlight the photorealistic part. On the going, or like over here on the where, is going to show or highlight the specific word that is being said, and that's the difference between the classic one and the karaoke one. And you can do this to any part of the video. For example, you would like to have the intro to have a caption, but the body itself don't have a caption. Or you could go back here on the bottom, or wherever you would like to have a caption on, you could edit it through that section. And that's it, guys. That is how you could use Descript to add subtitle or caption into your videos. Once again, all you need to do is highlight or simply click on the text over here on the top, choose subtitle, you could choose text, or you could choose caption over here, and you could edit all the different layout, the different designs, the different effects over here on the right side. The way you present your caption or subtitle depends on your creativity over here on the right side. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.